So today we're talking about Tesla's master plan 4 and what Adam Jonas and Dan Ives have to say about it. So let's get into it.
Our next guest says that he sees Tesla's valuation north of $1 trillion in 2025. Dan Ives, Wedbush Securities Managing Director and Senior Equity Analyst, joins us now. We might have even had a typo in there. I think you think that this could go even higher here. So ultimately, Dan, let's break that down here. What is your vision for how they can get to your market cap that you're anticipating by 2025?
Yeah, I mean, first off, Brett, this puts that Delaware Twilight Zone in the rearview mirror. I mean, now with the compact, I think that was a $20, $25 overhang on the stock and now moving to Texas. But when you look at the Tesla story, autonomous FSD, I could argue it's one of the best AI plays in the market when you look out the next 2, 3, 4 years. This is just the start of the next chapter, the next book, as Musk calls it, in the Tesla Roadster. I think is one of the best disruptive names in the world.
Right, Dan. So put some of these lofty expectations then, I think, into a more realistic picture for us. You're very confident that you're going to see, or that we could see, maybe Tesla reach that $1 trillion in value here in 2025. Talk to us about what the catalysts are for that growth, at least in the short term, and then compare that maybe to the longer term picture and some of these longer term believers when it comes to Tesla.
Yeah, so let's walk through the setup. Look, New York City cab driver is expecting a bad June quarter. So no one's expecting great things for June. But I think that's the last tough quarter, tough comp, as then we turn the corner, demand stabilizing in China. And then August 8th, I think is going to be a historical day. Robo-taxis, autonomy, that's kind of the vision. I mean, no different than what we saw from Apple this week in terms of Cupertino and AI. That'll be them unveiling the broader strategy. And then I think you start to then see the execution of the strategy along with the sub 30K vehicle. We think, I call it a Model 2.5, gets released early next year. In our opinion, the bottom's in Tesla. Bears go into hibernation mode. And I think those thinking that that comp package was going to get voted down had a little too much champagne.
Is Elon Musk too optimistic with his $25 trillion target that he thinks the company can get towards, and what type of company are we talking about at that point? Is it an automotive company? Is it a technology company? Is it an energy company?
Well, look, we've always talked about in the show, this is a disruptive technology company. And I think that's where, look, the bears will say it's a car company. They've said it from, 100 million up to $1 trillion. So the point is, this is disruptive tech. And now, when you look at autonomy, software, FSD, that's the vision. But also, this is one that you're going to see 3-4 million vehicles per year when you look out 4 or 5 years from now. And again, betting against Musk, it's been the wrong move. And I think this has clearly been a turbulent period. But I could see that Cinderella story starting again as we go into 2025.
Dan Ives, Wedbush Security Manager, Director and Senior Equity Analyst, believes that now that shareholders voted for Elon Musk's pay package and Tesla's move to Texas, the company will be able to focus on growth. Ives believes that autonomous FSD is one of the best AI plays in the market. He believes the next chapter in the book of Tesla will be one of the best disruptive names in the world. He sees Tesla at a $1 trillion valuation in 2025. And betting against Musk has been the wrong move.
I think that's something that it all goes into this AI revolution. It's not just about Musk and Optimus. It's about the chips from the godfather of AI, Jensen, NVIDIA. You're seeing a fourth industrial revolution play out here. Tesla is going to be a main player in that. And I get it. Investors still view it as a car company. But this is just the early stages of broader where Musk is going to be taking Tesla.
Another big-time bull I'd like to mention is Adam Jonas. Teslarati reported Tesla bull Adam Jonas, analyst of Morgan Stanley, is making a bold claim about Elon Musk's recent announcement of Master Plan 4, stating this could be a narrative that completely revolutionizes the automaker as both a business and what its main focus could be. Elon announced he would be working on Master Plan 4, stating it would be epic. The Master Plan 3 previously editions have outlined how the automaker plans to operate the business. The first part, released back in 2006, showed how the original Tesla Roadster would essentially be a fundraiser for future vehicle models, lowering in price with each release and making EVs affordable to the masses. The second was released in 2016 and talked about Tesla's energy business and its expanding lineup in vehicles, along with full self-driving FSD and autonomy. The most recent version was released in 2023 and talked about scaling the business, renewable energy, investment, and other topics related to widespread sustainability. Hey, if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates. However, the fourth part and its content is anyone's guess based on what Tesla's business has become, what we know the company is planning for the future, and how executives and Musk have talked about over the last few months. There's enough information to make an educated guess. Jonas seems to believe that he has the right idea, and it would be based on Tesla's wishes as a commercial provider of ride-sharing, autonomy, and robotics. Tesla is undoubtedly leaning towards becoming a provider of services, which is likely that its robotaxi platform will be. As autonomy is figured out, Tesla will utilize its vehicles to make money for its owners, as people will be able to hail rides from the application and get from point A to point B without driver. Robots could help people around the house, as Optimus has been geared towards eliminating annoying, monotone tasks. I would say also it will help in factories with mass production. In terms of Tesla's automotive business, Jonas believes it will always matter. However, he sees that value diminishing over the next 6 to 12 months because it may matter less to Tesla's fundamentals and valuation due to a combination of subtraction, and that means the EV market is getting weaker, and additions, which means new product categories. It is important to note that Adam Jonas is one of Wall Street's biggest bulls when it comes to Tesla. Jonas has a $310 target, which is the highest on the street, as well as the overweight rating as of June 20th. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. My name is Claudia, and goodbye.